Well, flu, COVID, RSV, or just the common cold, all common sicknesses during the winter time. And so how can you stay safe and healthy this season? So joining us now with tips is Christina Kopp, a nurse practitioner with University of Iowa Healthcare. Christina, thank you so much for joining us today.
Yeah, thanks for having me on.
Yeah, no, it's a pleasure to have you. So what are some simple ways to prevent getting sick, before the holidays?
It's really simple, going back to the basics of good hand washing, staying home when you're feeling sick, disinfecting high touch surfaces like phones, doorknobs, and countertops, and then just making sure that you're prioritizing your health with good sleep, hydration, making sure you try and reduce stress during the holidays. Those all help your immune system. And then making sure you get vaccinated. Flu and COVID vaccines help to reduce severe illness and reduce the spread of illness to others.
Sure, and so when should someone consider going to urgent care if they're sick?
So urgent care is ideal for when you have a fever, when you feel like you have a cough that is worsening, when you feel like you might have a sinus infection where symptoms have been lasting longer than 7 to 10 days and not getting better on their own. You feel like you're getting dehydrated and feel like you're not making a full recovery. Those are good times to come and see us. Other times to go straight to the emergency room would be if your cough is getting much worse, where you're having shortness of breath or a difficult time breathing, or you feel like your fever has been high and persistent for a long time. That would be a time to just go straight to the emergency room for care.
Sure, and so are there certain age groups that are more vulnerable to respiratory viruses?
Absolutely. Babies and older adults are definitely more susceptible to getting sicker with our common illnesses that we see in the winter time, like COVID, flu, and RSV. Also, those with weakened immune systems. So if you or a family member are in that category, it'd be good to make sure that you wash your hands frequently when you're around them, making sure that if you feel ill that you stay away, and then also making sure that they get seen sooner if they are feeling sick.
Yeah, definitely some important tips there. Christina Kopp, a nurse practitioner with University of Iowa Healthcare. Christina, thank you so much for speaking with us today.
Thank you.
Of course.